Okay, so we're going to talk about the integumentary system. This is your skin, in addition to cells and glands and other accessories that help this form a system. So the skin, some things you probably already know, are waterproof, stretchable, washable, repair small rips, cuts, and burns. The skin and the associated organs of sweat, oil, and glands, hairs, and nails make up the integumentary system. So some fun facts about the integumentary system is it consists of the skin, hairs, nails, and glands, like we just said, but on average, this is going to weigh up to 9 to 11 pounds, or 7% of your body weight. And by weight, this is actually the largest organ in your body. It regenerates every 25 to 45 days. Okay, so the structure is actually, we have three parts to the skin. We have the epidermis, which is stratified squamous epithelium that is keratinized, which means it has keratin in it. We have the dermis, which is a dense fibrous connective tissue. We have lots of collagen and elastin and blood vessels and other connective tissues like the adipose tissue that we talked about back when we talked about tissues. A burn or friction causes a separation in the layers, and that will cause a blister. So if you have a separation in the layers of your tissues, that normally results in a blister. The hypodermis, or the superficial fascia, is a subcutaneous tissue. It's adipose tissue, and it anchors skin to underlying organs. It's also a shock absorber. It's an insulator. Skin anatomy, aka cutaneous membrane, consists of the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. In the epidermis, we're going to have something called keratinocytes and melanocytes. They're avascular tissue layer above the skin, stratified squamous epithelium barrier layer. We're going to find these keratinocytes and melanocytes in the epidermis, okay? That's pretty much all you need to know. There are 5 layers of this. We have our stratum corneum. It's filled with dead stratified squamous. It looks rough. Keratin's present, which is a water repellent protein that adds, some strength and resilience to our skin. And it can become thick from irritation, so we can form calluses on our substratum corneum layer. The stratum lucidum is a clear layer of dead cells, and in some cases this is not present. Stratum granulosum is a granular layer. It's thin, cells are dying, and they begin to keratinize as they move up. Then we have our spiny layer, which is where protein synthesis with RNA generates keratin in living cells. And then we have our stratum basal layer, the base layer, the aka stratum germinatus,